guys, the mortgage business is ever changing. Check this out.
Well, as expected, FHA is going to raise its annual MIP premiums by 10 basis points, and they're going to sell off 10,000 delinquent loans to fill the hole created by FHA moving their funds from their congressionally mandated account into that other account which they have for anticipated losses.
I gotta tell you though, it's worth pointing out, as we did before, that if FHA were to just take their money from one account and move it back over into the other account, they'd have ample money for their reserves and would not have to raise their premiums once again.
You know, FHA has already priced themselves out of the market if they only had some competition with MIP hike after hike after hike. But hey, that's the road they chose to follow.
Now, if that were not enough, here's one other piece with FHA's change worth noting.
And this one, my friends, is a real doozer. Effective sometime next year, a date yet to be determined, FHA's premiums, they're now going to be for life.
That means even after you've made 5 years worth of payments, and even if your loan to value is below 78%, you will be required to continue to pay your MIP for life.
That means you, if you're buying a house, you Mr. Buyer out there, consumer, or if you are representing a buyer, they're gonna have no recourse to have their MIP premium removed. So if they owe, I don't know, $1,000 after 29 years on a house that's worth $300,000, they will have MIP on that house payment.
So if you're a buyer and you want to get rid of these premiums, or if you're helping a buyer and they want to get rid of these premiums, they're going to have to refinance out of these historically low rates to presumably a higher rate down the road to free themselves from paying MIP.
Now, because this takes place next year, the instructions you should give to your clients, or if you're somebody considering buying a house right now using the good old FHA, here's what you do. Buy it now.
That is fantastic advice. With the MIP changing, man, you got to do this right now.
Hope you enjoyed that information. Again, call us or email us with any questions. My name is Eric Gausepohl for Summit Lending. Have a great week.